Hello, viewers around the globe, and this is a wonderful video I'm making to demonstrate that now I am so happy that my radio show of W4WN, which is called Dr. Afshan Hashmi's radio show, is on Amazon Music. And when you go to your Echo Dot, which I will explain in a little bit, that how to access that. And here are my two books, The Outbreak of a Monstrous Infection and The Modern Mughal Mentality, New Strategies to Succeed in India and the Global Marketplace. And if you haven't bought two books, please go and buy these books. And if you have bought these my books and you have given an honest review, then thanks a lot. And now, friends, having said that, I will ask my Echo Dot, which is here, and I will give the instructions. Alexa, please play Dr. Afshan Hashmi's radio show.
Here's Dr. Afshan Hashmi's radio show from Amazon Music. Here's where you left off in the latest episode, 1600 WH Info, FDA Hollywood and Bollywood.
Trump's administration has delivered recently on a number of major peacemaking deals. The agreement between Kosovo and Serbia follows just weeks after another huge breakthrough brokered between Israel and the
Alexa,
United
please start it from the beginning of the show.
I'm not sure.
Security advisor
Sometimes
Robert
Alexa
O'Brien
doesn't
said on
understand.
Friday is that it now
Anyway,
allows for
the
the
story is I
establishment
was
of
listening it yesterday,
diplomatic
and so where I
relations
left,
between
they are playing
Kosovo,
it
a
from there. So
majority
just
Muslim
listen,
state,
please.
and the state of Israel. In the Oval Office, President Vucic and Prime Minister
And this
Modi
was the
thanked
1600
President Trump
briefing
and
of
his
White
team for
House,
their
which I
commitment
read
to
on my
peace and
radio show.
stability in the region. I look forward to seeing Serbia and Kosovo prosper as we work together on economic cooperation in the region. Going forward, I look forward to going to both countries someday in the not too
And this
distant
is
future,
yours truly
President Trump said.
reading the
Great
1600
American
briefing
comeback
of the White
continues
House.
as unemployment rate falls. It's official. The U.S. economy added nearly 1.4 million jobs last month, bringing the total to 10.6 million jobs created since
So,
May.
Alexa, now
All
keep
told,
quiet, please.
that accounts for about 50%
Alexa,
of all
please
jobs
keep
lost
quiet.
during the coronavirus pandemic.
So now the Alexa is quiet, and I will again say, please go and buy these two my books, and go and look for on my afshanhashmi.com author website. There is a sponsorship which you can buy it. If you want to be in the priority list, then you have to pay extra $25, and if you don't want to pay extra $25, then it will take couple of weeks for you to appear on my show. If you want to be in conversation on W4WN radio about something, with more than 300 million listeners, you can promote your brand or you can promote yourself. So it is a very, very cheap price, and I want to help my listeners because you have helped me make these two books the bestseller. So now, if you want to buy the sponsorship, please go and buy the sponsorship. And without priority, it is just $100, and for 15 minutes interview, or you can give me a MP3 file, or you can give me a paragraph to and I will read it on my radio show. And with priority, it is 125. And the same thing applies for my TV show on Fox Plus. Like, without priority, if you want to be give me like a paragraph of the paragraph written, then you can give me that. And if you want to give me a video file, you can also give me that, but I would rather take in this money like just a 1 minute written from you, and I can read it on my TV show Glam World with Dr. Afshan Hashmi for a minute, and I can promote you and say, so this is like buying a sponsorship, and you can go to afshanhashmi.com and you can buy the sponsorship, and here are my two books. If you haven't bought these, please go and buy this and write an honest review. If you have bought my book and you have not written an honest you have not written a review, then please go and review that, because it will really help me. The more reviews I have, the better it is. So viewers, please review the book, please review the book. I know many of you have bought it both from my TV show and radio show, but haven't given me reviews. So please go and give me reviews, and cheers. And this is your loving host Dr. Afshan Hashmi signing off from this video, and cheers and bye bye.